Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is a 2018 Honda CR-V LX. This vehicle does come equipped with steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls. Set cruise control. You'll be able to Bluetooth your device in to play music. Also comes equipped with a backup camera. You'll have an econ mode, electronic parking brake, as well as the brake hold system, a power port, and in the center console you'll have a USB port and an additional power port. The vehicle does have the all-weather floor mat in the front and in the back. The vehicle does come with a capless fuel filler, also equipped with permaplate. And the all-weather floor mat in the cargo area. Spare tire and tool set. You also have the latches here to drop the front seats. This is the 2018 Honda CR-V LX.